Hello. This video is primarily intended for NIAC students. It's another one of the slow reading texts, and it's a little bit different because I won't be reading from the Hebrew Bible, but I'll be reading from the New Testament, and the chosen topic is the disciples' prayer. I'll be reading from a version of the New Testament. There are two main ones used, one by the Bible Society and another one by Delitzsch, Franz Delitzsch. And I'll be reading from his version. Avinu shebashamayim yitkadesh shmecha tavo malchutecha ye'aseh retzoncha ka'asher bashamayim gam ba'aretz et lechem chukenu ten lanu hayom umchal lanu על חובותינו, כאשר מחלנו גם אנחנו לחייבנו, ואל תביאנו לידי ניסיון, כי אם תחלצנו מן הרע, כי לך הממלכה והגבורה והתפארת לעולמי עולמים אמן.